Changing LLC address in Texas. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to change LLC address in Texas. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the necessary information ready. You will require your LLC name, current address and the new address you want to update. After that, go to the Texas Secretary of State website. To update your registered office address, you will need to file Form 401. If you are also changing your registered agent's address, then you have to fill Form 408. After that, update your business address for franchise tax purposes through the Texas Comptroller website by using their online account services. And do not forget, you must also notify the IRS of your updated business address by submitting Form 8822B. And that's all. That's how you will be able to change your LLC address in Texas.